What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Omisego Go. We've got a lot of recommendations to go over this coin, so I hope you guys are excited for today's video. We're going to look at the long-term and the short-term time frame charts for Omisego Go. If that sounds good to you, smack that subscribe button down below. Now let's jump right on into the video. As we jump right on into the longer-term time frame chart for Omisego Go, you can see that we had this huge, absolutely huge support and resistance flip for Omisego Go. As you can see here, guys, this black resistance line here was huge resistance back here, acted as support here, huge resistance back on our biggest run up prior to this last crash, and we actually broke straight up above through it and have come down and tested it as support. As I say in every one of my videos, this is absolutely huge for Omisego Go. It's huge when you see the old resistance become new support, which is, in my opinion, the biggest thing you can look for in a bull market, guys. My next resistance point would be at about this $2.47 or $2.47 as a normal person would say it. I'm always not normal. Normal people don't say 2.47, but that's besides the point. That's kind of my next resistance line. I can see us coming straight after we kind of tested this as support. I can see us now popping back up and coming all the way up and coming down to this $2.47 mark. The next chart I want to kind of look at is a little bit of the shorter time frame. We were in this bull flag, as you can see here, guys. We had multiple touches on the top, 1, 2, actually all the way through this little area. We had multiple touches. We had third touch here, fourth touch here, 5 touches. We actually broke through it. Same thing on the bottom. We had 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches. Confirms the pattern on the top and the bottom side. For me, guys, I look for 3 touches on the top and the bottom, and we got both of those for Omisego Go. We actually broke straight through this top resistance line, came back down, tested as support. Once again, support and resistance flip never fails. And what did we see after we touched it as support? We got a huge lift off, and now we are pumping to higher levels, guys. And once again, I see that next level that we could possibly hit as the $2.47 mark. Bear in mind, keep in mind, Bitcoin is in a very, very kind of important level because we have our support and resistance converging within the next week or so. Volatility is at an all-time low. A big move is coming for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes down, we could see Omisego Go and the other altcoins go down. If Bitcoin goes up, we could see Omisego Go and the other altcoins go up. So keep that in mind when I'm talking about this technical analysis. Bitcoin can change everything, so just keep that in mind, guys. This is more predicated on if Bitcoin does what it's supposed to do in a bull market and continues up from this long 3-month consolidation range. Now, the third chart that I want to look at for Omisego Go today is this chart here. So this is basically the weekly chart. So we're looking at the whole time frame for Omisego Go. We have this, a lot of people aren't looking at this when you are looking at this coin, is we have these 2 touches on the top, and look where, this is the all-time high, this is the second kind of dead cat bounce pump, and we got rejected lower. As you can see, look how perfectly these 2 lines, when you connect them and continue down, look exactly where we pumped, guys. We pumped straight to that resistance line. That cannot be a coincidence. If we can break above this resistance line, I think that is really going to set off the bull market for Omisego Go. So take a look where this line is right now, guys. If we can get above that 1.75 range, that's going to be huge, huge things for Omisego Go in the short and long-term time frame. As you can see, we also have this middle line, which acts as resistance here, support all through this area, resistance here, and now we actually, it was resistance multiple times, as you can see. This was a classic support and resistance flip. This was support, and then it turned into resistance, which was bearish, and we continued down. Now, we actually came up, broke through it, and we should confirm this old resistance here as new support here. We worked right down to it, and then we popped right back up. So this is a classic support and resistance flip again, guys. And then I just have this bottom line kind of drawn here. So this could just all be one giant descending wedge or bull flag, whatever way you want to draw it. You can draw it both ways, honestly, but this is how I draw it. And we could be breaking out of that relatively soon, depending on what Bitcoin does. Altcoins are kind of in the same little, this Omisego Go, pretty much Omisego Go, is in the same exact predicament that Bitcoin is in. We've had this long consolidation range since the beginning of May, and we're kind of consolidating right under huge resistance, exactly as Bitcoin's doing, guys. Actually, I have a Bitcoin chart up here as we take a look here. Bitcoin is consolidating under this huge resistance for about 3 months. It's very, very similar. Actually, if we switch back over to the Omisego Go, very, very similar to what Omisego Go is doing now here in this range to what Bitcoin is doing in this range. So keep in mind, if Bitcoin does break up, it's going to pull the altcoins up with it. Same thing goes down, it's going to pull the altcoins down with it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smack that subscribe button down below. I usually say I'm going to spend the rest of the day outside, but it is actually raining outside where I'm living, so that kind of sucks. But I would be normally going outside and not staring at the charts all day. Staring at the charts does absolutely nothing for you. Go out, enjoy life. The price won't matter if you're just staring at the charts all day. So enjoy life, spend time with your family, exercise, live a healthy life while you can, and the price will go up without you looking at it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.